Hello everyone, so I received this CanaKit starter kit for the Raspberry Pi 4. This is the 4 GB version. I am intending to use it for as a full desktop. So let's see very quick what this package contains, and yeah, I will walk you through all the items included here. And yeah, we are back. So I kinda have already set up the everything. So I was doing some testing, but yeah, we still can see everything that contained was contained in the package. So yeah, first we got some paperwork, like quick installation guide. Yeah, and also the start guide. Yeah, symbol. Also contains a little project and GPIO reference, everything like that. Yeah, can be handy, but yeah, you may be familiar with everything. Yeah, we will get back to these later. So we have a preloaded 32 GB Samsung Evo that is preloaded with the Raspbian system. We have this micro SD card reader. um, I didn't try it yet, but it can be handy if you want to flash a different OS or something like that. um, we get this like on off button that you use to simply switch between on and off. So yeah, you connect it to this power brick, and you keep this power brick connected, and use this to switch on and off for the Raspberry Pi. This can be very handy. Also in the package you get a micro, or like, I don't know, this is mini HDMI. Focus. Yeah, this is a mini HDMI to a full size HDMI, because you know the Raspberry Pi doesn't have a full size HDMI. You get two mini HDMIs. So also you have the case. You get a very nice acrylic case. I told you that I have already set this up. Also the heat sinks, you get heat sinks. I set this all up to test it out, and yeah, it works just fine. It works really fine. So yeah, we get my fingers keeps getting in the way, so sorry for that. Yeah, you get the Raspberry Pi 4 itself. Here is the Broadcom CPU, memory, and this is a USB controller. You get LAN, 2 USB 3.0, and 2 USB 2.0. Here, focus. This is a audio jack, video composite, HDMI. This is the main one. This is the secondary one, and USB-C and power. So this is here is the micro SD card, and this is a very nice case. And there's no screws or standoffs or anything. You just like snap everything in place, and it's like ready to go. So this is the rest of the case. This is the upper part, and you get this is a very nice little fan that cools down your components. If you are intending to do some really heavy load, this can be very handy. I will put this back together and see you how it looks. when it is like covered up. And yeah, we are back, and this cute little thing is a very powerful computer. I intend to use it for IoT applications. This can be very handy. Also, I might use it as a main desktop for a while, not for so long because I do some gaming, but I can do all my Linux stuff on this little device. So this is a weird unboxing video. Maybe this is the worst unboxing video you might have ever saw or watched on a YouTube channel. But also this is my first video, so I guess it's fine so far. Yeah, I will leave a link for it in the description if you feel like having this. Also, let me know if you need to know anything about its performance, heat, stuff like that. I might just like do some extra videos to explain this stuff. So yeah, see ya.